Looking ahead to 2025, the landscape for online passive income is likely to evolve with advancements in technology, changes in consumer behavior, and emerging trends. Here are some promising online passive income ideas for 2025. 1. AI-generated content. What it is: use AI tools to create blogs, ebooks, videos, or social media content that can generate ad revenue or affiliate income. How to start: invest in AI writing or video creation tools, and monetize through platforms like YouTube, Amazon Kindle, or ad-supported blogs. Why it works: AI tools are becoming more sophisticated, allowing for high-quality content creation with minimal effort. 2. NFT royalties. What it is: create and sell digital art, music, or other assets as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and earn royalties every time they are resold. How to start: learn about blockchain platforms like Ethereum or Solana, and use NFT marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. Why it works: the NFT market is maturing, and creators can earn passive income through smart contract royalties. 3. Automated dropshipping stores. What it is: set up an e-commerce store that sells products directly from suppliers to customers, with automation tools handling most of the work. How to start: use platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, and integrate AI tools for customer service and marketing. Why it works: automation reduces the need for hands-on management, making it more passive over time. 4. Dividend stocks and ETFs. What it is: invest in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that pay regular dividends. How to start: use online brokerage platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Vanguard to build a diversified portfolio. Why it works: dividends provide a steady income stream with minimal ongoing effort. Create an online course. What it is: develop a course on a topic you're knowledgeable about and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. How to start: use AI tools to help with course creation, marketing, and student engagement. Why it works: once created, courses can generate income for years with little maintenance. 6. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. What it is: pool funds with other investors to invest in real estate projects through online platforms. How to start: use platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet to invest in properties. Why it works: real estate crowdfunding offers passive income through rental yields and property appreciation. 7. Build a membership site. What it is: create a subscription-based website offering exclusive content, resources, or community access. How to start: use platforms like Patreon, Substack, or WordPress with membership plugins. Why it works: recurring subscriptions provide a steady income stream. 8. License digital products. What it is: create digital assets like stock photos, videos, music, or templates and license them on platforms like Shutterstock, Envato, or Pond5. How to start: use AI tools to create high-quality digital assets and upload them to licensing platforms. Why it works: once uploaded, these assets can generate income indefinitely. 9. Affiliate marketing with AI. What it is: promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. How to start: use AI tools to optimize content, track performance, and automate outreach. Why it works: AI can help scale your efforts and maximize earnings with minimal effort. 10. Peer-to-peer lending. What it is: lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms and earn interest. How to start: use platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle. Why it works: peer-to-peer lending can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts.